This is chicken fried steak with a creamy mushroom sauce. Chicken fried steak. It's a lot like country fried steak. The difference being, in my opinion, the country fried steak is made with a beef broth. This is made with a creamy mushroom sauce. And I've already shared this recipe, so I'll just put a link up here. And the recipe for my chicken fried steak is below in the comments, and I'll put my sauce recipe in there too. So I'm just into my white wine Chardonnay reduction stage by half, and now I've got some heavy whipping cream just to finish this off. Oh yeah, butter's already in there. So this is just about done. This will just take one more minute. Okay, let's make up the seasonings. I've got some Carbalose flour, half cup. Measurements for this is again below in the comments section. I really like this Carbalose flour. And I've got some steak spice, and it's a half teaspoon. I really like Chicago steak spice by Weber. You can get it at any Walmart. So in that goes. Got some garlic salt, some onion powder, some fresh cracked pepper, some thyme. That's just dried thyme. Some dried parsley, and some paprika. And I'm just going to mix that up with my fingers. There, like that. Now for steak, you can see the size on those, and just pound it out with a meat mallet to about 1/4 inch thick. And if you want something, if you want a really nice treat, try some filet mignon or some ribeyes pounded or some beef tenderloin. That's all really good. So you can see how thin that is. It's pretty skinny. And I'm just going to pat this mixture in and then shake off the excess. There, that sauce is coming up nicely. So this took maybe, I'm going to say about 7 minutes to make that. And this is only going to take a couple. So you've got dinner in under 15 minutes. There we go. I've coated that up. Shake off the excess, and I'm just going to put it on a plate just to reserve it while we heat the oil. I didn't do anything to that. That's just, I'm not wetting it or drying it, or just pack this in. There you go. We'll put that there. Discard the rest of your flour. My creamy mushroom sauce is finished. I'm just going to set that off to the side. It's still going to be warm. This won't take long. So what I'm doing is I'm putting in some refined coconut oil. I really enjoy cooking with refined coconut oil. It doesn't have a coconut taste. It's got a really good high smoke burn point. So I'm going to put a good 2 tablespoons in there. Look at that sauce. That looks really good. It smells fantastic. Going over a medium-high heat, I put my seasoned steak into the oil. And we're just going to fry that to a nice golden brown. Okay, time for the flip. This is called a pigtail. You just go in, you scoop something. It's good for doing bacon, something like this, deep frying stuff. You can see the color on that. That's fantastic. It's a nice thin coating too. So I just flipped that. Still lots of oil there. That took about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes on the first side to get that nice color. I've got my plate warming on the barbecue there. There you go. That's cooked. I'll just swap these two out for a minute. Heat that up some more. This is nicely cooked. Probably a medium rare is what I like on this. I just tilted the pan to just drain some of the fat down. So I've got a warm plate. I'm probably going to serve some Caulimash with this too. That'd be really good with this creamy mushroom gravy. That looks really good. That was a very, very quick meal. Nice mushrooms. These are cremini mushrooms that I used. There you go. There's a chicken fried steak with a creamy mushroom sauce. Thanks for watching.